Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Fork and Flavor. I'm your host, Zhara, and today we're diving into a classic recipe that's loved by many, the perfect roasted chicken. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and fill your kitchen with irresistible aromas. So let's get started. Step 1. Prep and seasoning. First things first, we need a whole chicken. Make sure it's been properly cleaned and patted dry with paper towels. Preheat your oven to 375 degree F, 190 degrees C. Now, it's time to infuse our bird with incredible flavors. In a small bowl, mix together a generous amount of softened butter, minced garlic, chopped fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and parsley, along with some salt and freshly ground black pepper. Rub this flavorful mixture all over the chicken, both on the outside and under the skin for maximum flavor. Step 2. Trussing. Trussing the chicken helps it cook evenly and maintain its shape. Simply tie the legs together with kitchen twine and tuck the wings behind the bird's back. Step 3. Roasting. Place the beautifully seasoned and trussed chicken on a roasting rack set inside a roasting pan. This allows the air to circulate around the bird, giving you that perfectly crispy skin. Pop the chicken into the preheated oven and let it roast for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degree F, 74 degree C, when measured in the thickest part of the thigh with a meat thermometer. Step 4. Basting. To ensure the chicken stays moist and flavorful, baste it with its own juices every 30 minutes or so. This step is crucial for that gorgeous golden brown skin we all love. Step 5. Resting. Once your chicken has reached that magic temperature and the skin is crispy and golden, take it out of the oven. But hold on, don't dive in just yet. Let the chicken rest for about 15-20 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in a succulent and juicy bird. Step 6. Carving. Now comes the fun part, carving. Use a sharp knife to carefully slice along the breastbone to separate the breast meat from the bone. Then, remove the legs and thighs by cutting through the joints. And don't forget those flavorful wings. Step 7. Plating. Arrange the succulent pieces on a beautiful serving platter. Garnish with some fresh herbs for an extra touch of elegance, and you're ready to impress your family and friends with your masterpiece. And there you have it, folks. A mouth-watering roasted chicken that's tender, juicy, and bursting with flavor. Thank you for joining me here on Fork and Flavor. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and leave me a comment down below letting me know how your roasted chicken turned out. Until next time, happy cooking!